Welcome to our tutorial on how to calculate purchase lead time. Understanding supplier lead time is crucial because it directly influences customer delivery schedules and payment cycles, which are key components in efficient supply chain management. Let's start by examining our order and supply information. We'll look at the purchase order release date, the quantity ordered, and the value of the order. Pay special attention to the standard lead time, which is the time period mutually agreed upon between us and our supplier. This figure here represents the agreed delivery date. It's calculated based on the standard lead time and represents when we expect to receive the parts in our warehouse. Next, we have the actual delivery date. This is when we actually received the parts. There can be a difference between the agreed and actual delivery dates, which is crucial for our analysis. Now, let's calculate the actual lead time. We do this by subtracting the purchase order date from the actual delivery date. This calculation gives us the real time it took for the order to be fulfilled. To identify delays, we subtract the agreed lead time from the actual lead time. In our example, we'll see how this calculation highlights any discrepancies. After calculating these figures, we find that our average agreed lead time is 30 days, but our average actual lead time is 38.4 days. This means there's an average delay of 8.4 days. This analysis is crucial for managing your supply chain effectively. It's not just about numbers, it's about understanding the root cause of delays. Engage with your suppliers, discuss these findings, and work collaboratively to reduce lead times. Remember, you can download a sample workbook from the description below to practice these calculations and apply them to your own supply chain scenarios.